Welcome to this presentation on the basics of data cleaning. In this session, we'll explore how to ensure datasets are accurate, consistent, and reliable for analysis. Identifying and handling missing data. The first step in data cleaning is identifying missing values. We can detect them using summary functions in tools like Python or R. Missing values can be handled by deletion, imputation, or applying domain-specific rules. Choosing the right approach is important to avoid introducing bias into the dataset. Removing duplicates and outliers. Duplicate entries can distort statistics and give misleading results. Outliers, on the other hand, may be caused by data entry errors or could represent genuine rare cases. By removing or addressing them appropriately, we ensure our analysis reflects the true patterns in the data. Understanding data formats and encoding issues. Data often comes in different formats and encodings. Ensuring consistent date formats, handling special characters, and using standard encodings like UTF-8 prevents compatibility issues. It's also important to standardize units of measurement across datasets for consistency. Data validation rules. Data validation ensures that values fall within logical and acceptable ranges. For example, patient ages